Today I show how to design a wireless mouse. I made this almost finished. Now I create some feature on this mouse. Okay. First of all, I create a slot on this side for the roller. Okay. Now I choose a plane this and sketch. Now see, this is our top position, so I will sketch on this plane. So I create a 3-point arc from this point to this, and I click, select OK, go to this center line, sketch center line, this origin point to in this horizontal position. Okay, make sure it is horizontal. Yeah, go to smart dimension, make this a smart dimension. I choose 100 mm, enter. Yeah, distance from this point to this, make it 3 mm, enter. Yes, and go to this mirror entity, choose this mirror entity to mirror, choose mirror about, this and click OK. So set, it does not mirror, so just Ctrl Z. Okay, now again I choose this center point arc and sketch on this point to this point and right click OK. Go to smart dimension, make sure it is 10 mm, enter. Right, now I choose this, go to this fillet, select this fillet on this point, make sure it is, so it will not take this, click this, I choose this 1 mm, yes, 1 mm is good. Both sides I will make a 1 mm fillet, click OK. Now click OK. Now go to feature and choose this curve and choose straight line. This is our section, current section, choose projection and choose this plane. This is our plane and this plane. Okay, and click OK. Now see, there will fix a roller which control your mouse roller. Just right click and delete this. You can delete this. No, just shift. Okay, I can make another feature on this. So again I will go to this, choose this top plane and choose this reference geometry and choose plane. I choose plane on the another side, just choose flip offset. You can decrease the distance. I decrease this distance, I just keep it 5mm. 5mm will be better, so just click OK. Yeah, now show this plane. Choose this. Now just hide this plane and select this plane and sketch. Okay, I choose this again, another side. So I'll create 4 slots for the rubber which can stay on the table or your working mouse pad. Okay, now I'll choose this center line, a sketch center line in this horizontal point, and make sure it is horizontal. Okay, I will make a 3 slot. Just I choose this straight slot in this point, right click, select OK. Go to smart dimension, make it, I choose it 2mm, enter. Okay, and this distance, choose this distance 5mm, enter. Okay, and select OK. Now you can drag it any point. Just I drag it in this position. Okay, now drag it. Now I will go to this mirror entity, choose, I will mirror this in the another point. So I choose this mirror entity, and about mirror, this is our mirror about, and click OK. Again I sketch a center line on this origin point. Yes, right click, select OK, and go to mirror entity, choose this mirror, about mirror, this and this. Okay, and mirror about will be on this origin, and click OK. Yeah, I think it's better. So now see, preview, it's good or bad. Okay, now I will go to feature and choose this curve and choose straight line, and this is our current sketch. I select all the sketches, just select this space, select this and this. Okay, and just click OK. Now see, yeah, see preview, just repeat this and hide this plane. Okay, yeah, this is the I designed this luxurious mouse. If anyone need any kinds of luxurious products or mouse, you can knock me and you can contact me with my Gmail. My Gmail is available in the description. Please subscribe to my channel to get new design and new projects. Thank you for watching.